Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, The Life Influence. So finally the Tailwind has released its next version, that is version 4.0. It provides so many new features in this new update and has a modern components. Also it has given a new configuration system, or you can say method, to link with the project. Previously we used to link with a separate method, now it has been changed. So in today's video, we will see that how we can link this Tailwind CSS with our project in the React project using the Vite. So to begin with this, we have to create first our Vite project. That is, first we need to run this command npm create Vite add the test. Then select the project name. You can give any project name. Since I have already this project and I'm in this inside this directory front end, so I will give this dot and I'll move on. Then we will select this React framework and the language JavaScript. The next we need to install this npm. So say npm I or npm install. So let's all the dependencies download or install. So wait for it to get downloaded. So once the downloading is complete, run this npm run dev. So here you can see that our Vite program is running correctly. Now, first of all, let's remove all this styling, that is default styling from the index.css and app.css. And in the app.css, remove all the ports which are not necessary. Remove this user statebook, this user statebook, whatever you have used inside it, and the content inside this return function, and to the content. So here you can see the result. Now the next part comes how to connect with the Tailwind CSS. So go on the Chrome, search Tailwind CSS and click on it. So you can see the version is 4.0, and let's go to docs, and there already we have given using Vite. First we need to copy this command and open a new terminal and paste it here. The command is npm install tailwind css/Vite. This command is to download the Tailwind in our project, so let it download. Then we have to configure it with our project. Previously we had to do so many configuration in 2 or 3 files, but now it is all running this single file, that is vite.config.ts. So open this folder, and as you can see, the first line of code is already there in our code. Second, we need to copy this second line and paste it in our vite.config.js file. And the third is in plugin file, we have to copy this Tailwind CSS and paste it here. Let me first make it better for readability, and then here paste this Tailwind CSS function. So that's it, we are logged in. And the last thing we need to do is copy this import. We have to import this Tailwind CSS. So copy this import Tailwind CSS. You can paste in any app.css or index.css. It doesn't matter that much, but I'll paste in app.css. So that's it, we are done with it. Now let's test it out. So open this page, that is our live page, and close all the files and open this app.jsx and write some content here. Let me write it. So to test it, we give this class name, and inside it we give text for Excel, that is a Tailwind CSS class. So yeah, it is working. Our Tailwind is connected. For more, give this BC red 700. So it is applicable. Then give padding or color if you want. Give font bold and underline. So this also is working on the padding of 4. So that's it. This way we have linked our Tailwind with the React project. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching.